confirmations is the external confirmations is the way they get it and how to design it. Basically, there are two: positive and negative. Positive confirmation and negative confirmation. Main difference is what? In positive confirmation, you are asking third party to reply in all cases, whereas in negative confirmation, they will reply only when there is difference. So, depending on the circumstances, you have to decide as an auditor whether you would like to get positive or negative confirmation. Both are okay at certain circumstances. Positive confirmation is mainly whether the customer or banker, whether they agree to the balance, agree to the given information, and also ask them to provide more information like their own reconciliation. So the fellow who gives confirmation, they have to indeed print all those things and then submit that. As far as negative confirmation, the receiver will confirm the balance only when they see certain difference. Like AR due, a major customer, you sent that, okay, from my client, your dues are 1,800,000 something. But the customer comes back to you only when they disagree with that 1.8. That is negative. In positive, you are asking the person without number. You tell me what is your dues. You are seeing 1.8 million, but you don't want to disclose that. Fully not disclosing that and asking the customer to send a full statement is positive, and within that blank. Positive reply in all cases, whether it is 1.8 million or something else. In that blank means you are sending a blank confirmation saying that, okay, you send me what is in your books. Now the problem with the blank confirmation, you are asking third party to work more on it. So their degree of responses, the rate of responses will be low, because you are asking them to fully send everything and then you want to request. So both are having pros and cons. Blank confirmation request, if it is received, it is very well. But the problem is many, because it gives additional effort from them. Negative only when they reply if they disagree. That means if they don't reply, that means it is considered as correct. The balances are considered as correct. Generally, if we go back to what we discussed yesterday, that's what I said. For bank confirmation should be on a blank confirmation request. This blank confirmation most suitable
because there is a necessity of reconciliation.
For
So,
lenders or bankers.
a negative confirmation is necessary, is suitable when there is a chances of negativity very low.
And how to use, which one to use, you should decide as an auditor, depending on the circumstances. Both are okay.
Circumstances.
As I said yesterday, for bank you don't ask specifically, what is this bank account balance, confirm. No, you say this is the customer ID, send me all the details related to this customer ID. So that is very good. So bank will print everything, all the account balances, various account balances, deposit balances, bank guarantee, letter of credit, everything they will include as against that customer ID, whatever it is there. So for such cases, yes, blank confirmation is good. As I said yesterday, and I am sure you also have experienced that, right? For your clients, if you want
Yes, sir. For bank, I am giving the bank confirmation.
bank confirmation.
I wants to assure from that all these things category. Do you please confirm?
Mm,
They over the mail or through the courier,
yeah.
they send all this information about the balances,
Yes.
all kind of balances
Yeah.
they provide about the client.
Yeah. It is their duty. They are duty bound to give that. In the audit season, especially, they know they have to give, and they work overtime on that. And basically, they will charge that nothing is free. They will charge to your client.
Fine,
Some
they charge to the client.
they charge to
Yes.
the client. Some debit will be there in the record. But it is but natural. They know that auditors confirmation. We have to send it directly to the auditors.
Yes.
Yeah, but your management should design that. In your format, they should design. In your format, they should send a request to banker. They should send a request to customer. Correct, no?
Correct.
And you give the format. Let them print in their letterhead.
Yes,
Because
letterhead.
yeah,
Letterhead.
and the
And
finance.
also taking the signature of the clients also.
Yeah, yeah,
Tripartite.
yeah. The finance manager will sign there, and they send it to the bank requesting that the original to be sent to auditor. Correct?
Auditor. Yes. Auditing is a very
Very practical.
practical subject.
Yeah, very
Very
practical.
practical.
But you will enjoy when you solve questions here in this exam. Tricky. Theory is tricky.
Tricky.
Yeah,
Tricky.
yeah. Practical, yes, you will enjoy it. But I was never been on the audit side. I was on the receiving end. I was from the management.
In practical auditing is not so many difficult things. Just to substantiate the evidence with the procedures. That's it. But and judgment to give the opinion,
Opinion.
appropriate opinion.
Yes. You sign the balance sheet, your own practice, no? Or you are with a firm.
Yes, sir.
You are a sole proprietor.
Yes, sir.
You are running your own practice, right?
Yeah, I'm sole provider, sir.
Uh-huh.
So a lot of offer had been given to me to to join in big farms also.
Yeah, no,
But
no.
I'm freedom lover basically.
Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. That's enough. You have to slowly, you will grow yourself, you know. Where is the office in Dhaka?
No, I do not have an office in Dhaka. I'm sole provider. In my city, Chattogram,
Yeah,
there is an
Chattogram, you
office.
said, yes.
I build up. I build up in my own hand.
Oh,
Own
yeah.
hand. Everything I have did in my own hand.
Correct.
I did not take anybody's help.
Yes, yes. One table, one chair. You started.
Yes, sir. I won alone.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So now you have some staff, of course. How many?
Staff, students.
Yes, that articleship fellows.
Yes, yes.
Good, good, good.
But I want to complete the CPA now. It is my dream now.
Yes, yes, you should. You should. You should. This adds shine to your profession. You're already Bangladesh CA and now US CPA. That will give, and you can, nowadays, all
I,
American.
I
American
also qualified, sir, CISM. I okay, recently
CISA.
qualified CISM, CISM.
Yeah, I understand. So what I mean to say, nowadays many foreign Americans and all work in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. So they need the tax filing service. They need CPA. They will look for local CPA only nowadays. So instead of they call their American CPA, once you are qualified CPA, they search locally who is that CPA now. So why can't you take care of my file? That is a trend going on in India. Mm.
Yes,
Officially, you cannot sign any American things, but you can help them. You can advise them, just like how you
yes,
advise
sir.
your local nationals. You can advise them. There are so many Americans work, no? There are many American
Yes, sir.
companies. Yeah, many Americans are there.
Yes,
So earlier, when they go to America during the tax season, they sit with their CPA and file the tax. Now, no need. Mm. Now, those who are in India, actually, the trend is going on. In Bangalore, some
yes,
of
sir.
my friend CPA, he's a CA and CPA, and same thing. He has American clients. He takes care of them. Mm. And it is very cheap for them, no? They have to pay too much in America, and the two for us, the dollar converted into that is also
Into into
uh,
into Taka or rupee.
yeah, that will be too much for us. So we are happy. That is
Right.
that's the thing. That is why you should add all these things.
Yes, sir.
It will help in your practice. Okay, how is the situation now? Okay, hi Yusuf. How is the situation now, Subrata, in Bangladesh? Everything back to normal now?
It is normal, normal
Uh,
now.
with the new government.
Normal. Now it is being normal.
India last 3 weeks only that West Bengal election was a global news. More than IPL, people watched, kept a tab on Bengal elections.
Yes, sir. Sometimes news were inflated everything.
Yeah,
Sometimes news also is a selling
yeah,
selling
selling. Yeah,
component.
they bad news is $1 billion business site.
Sir,
In
I want to make the yes, sir. Yes, sir.
no, you continue.
Here also, Bangladesh also news is very giant news and rigorous.
Yeah, they make lot of money. News means
Media is rigorous.
negative only news. There's no positive.
No, no.
Everyone,
Positive, there is no customer about the positive news.
if somebody tells nice things, no,
Everybody
nobody
love the
will.
negative news.
Yeah, and they laugh. Who is this fellow talking? And they switch off. What's the wrong? What happened to others today? I think they're not joining or something. Because these topics, I like lot of interactions with everyone. Okay, we'll finish this topic and then let's see. And we also talked about management refusal. Uh, Now, if the confirmation auditor may not be able to obtain sufficient appropriate evidence without a written response to a positive confirmation, When alternative procedures will not obtain the required evidence, the auditor considers the implications of the audit and the opinion. Audit should evaluate the evidence provided by the external confirmation. Response to external confirmation may be classified as indicating agreement, unreliable, non response, indicating an exception. Exception should be investigated because they may be misstatements. If a misstatement is identified, the auditor is required to determine whether it indicates fraud, deficiencies in internal control. Confirmation may be a function of timing. If the customer received the confirmation shortly after mailing the payment, the amount confirmed may differ. And that reconciliations must be done. Reconciliations must be done. But third party external confirmation is always good to go. Let's take some questions, some quiz on these confirmations. Which of the following strategies would most likely could improve the response rate of the confirmation of account receivable? Which will improve the response rate from the one who receives? No. Which will improve the response rate? The B is a process, procedure. But the question is now which one will improve? Restricting this one, no. Notifying the recipients, this is again procedure. I think A, you include as much as possible. Include whatever items or invoices that constitute an account balance. So account balance where they just see, then it will help the other party to reconcile and then they confirm to you. That will give you a lot of response rate. If blank confirmation, low response rate. But if you give detail, yeah, they may reconcile and they may say yes or no. B and C is a procedure. Okay, other things are all procedures. Auditors may use positive or negative forms. An auditor most likely will use think. I think Yusuf, come on, participate. Let's see, maybe You're all telling B, but let's think about this. Negative confirmation if the RMM is low. If auditor has already obtained sufficient, many small items, small balances, expected exception rate is very low, no reason to believe that recipients will not consider the requests. Positive when, in all cases, it may ask the confirming party to state whether they agree, disagree. Positive confirmation obtain evidence only when the responses are received. Okay, now and lower response rate. Now, keeping in mind, all balances not correct. Combination for trade balances, negative form for other balances, this also doesn't look good. What is the trade balance, other balance? Positive form when the assessed is acceptably low? No. Subrata, I think you're going wrong, no? This is negative. Negative when the RMM is low. You see that? Just now read, no? When the RMM is low, negative. Not positive. So answer is C. For small balances. This is not positive when the RMM is low. RMM is low is negative.
Sir, if for a small balance, if it is negative, then reply. Otherwise, you don't apply.
Yeah. I am not worried if you don't reply.
Yes.
That kind of approach. This is exactly, D is exactly opposite. See, answering the theory is tricky, no? Just now we talked about it. Okay, next. Blank form may be less efficient. Just now we studied. Problem with the blank is what? Response rate is low or high? Low. Answer is, all these things are irrelevant. A. More non-responses are likely to occur. Which of the following should the auditor take? During the confirmation of AR, auditor receives a confirmation via the client's fax machine. C. Accept the confirmation but verify the source content through a telephone call to the respondent. If it is received by fax, verify that. Most likely to improve the response rate. Most likely, which strategy? Most likely improve the confirmation of AR. Just now we talked about it. Just now, same question. Help them, I said. D. Include a list of items. Most likely to add to the negative form of account receivable to encourage timely consideration by the recipient. Negative small balances. No, that is again Subrata. This is positive. B. Negative. If you do not report any differences, it will be assumed that this statement is correct. Minor balances, small customers, where RMM is low. An auditor would least likely to use external confirmation in connection with the audit of least likely. Least likely. For 3, you will send. For 1, it's not applicable. Which one? Least likely.
Is it D, sir? Because shareholder equity
No.
should not be confirmed. It is
No, they should.
inventories, because inventories may held in third parties.
Okay, do you send a confirmation request to government?
Sir,
Tax department, do you send a confirmation request?
uh,
Tax department?
tax department, no.
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 So answer is A. Impossible. Tell me what is the refundable income tax balance? No. Shareholders will give you.
Yes, it will be reflected in the IT-30 or in the
Yes.
assessment order.
Yes.
Yes.
And also common shares outstanding and all those things you can get it from the board of directors. They will give you minutes of the meeting. All those things you can get it from to balance the equity account. Okay, let's take the last question. Auditor decides to confirm AR balances rather than individual invoices. It is mostly would be beneficial to include with the confirmations what all the things you should include. Yeah. A. Client will prepare statement of account that show details, everything detail. Okay, I think I wanted to discuss with beautiful things from now on. I'll wait for some people to join. No, next week we'll see. Huh? Yes, Subrata, Yusuf. Yeah, let that Ratan and all those people join.
Okay, sir. Do you want to we have to leave today,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah. What I'm thinking is, if they are there, it will be very interactive. Mahadevan, Ratan, it will help them. Will give benefit of doubt today to them. Maybe some reason they did not
Yes, sir.
join.
As you think proper.
Yeah, because next chapters and all critical. Okay, we'll meet next week.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, I want to give the CPA exam first two audit audit subject, and one is audit and another is IT audit, and then FAR and regulation.
Yeah, no problem. Any order.
But my strategy is all right.
Yeah, your strategy is all right. Many students, I make them to write audit first.
Yes, sir. But one thing, sir. But I'm little bit about shaky about the FAR.
No.
FAR
Good.
is,
1
is
minute.
being difficult for me.
Yeah.
How can I improve myself?
Okay, let me just tell you. There are two strategies. See, these two are interconnected. FAR and audit. Okay.
Okay.
Some people say no. Let me. I also agree. There are two strategies. First, you take FAR and then audit. Okay.
Okay.
Those who have like for you are already qualified CA. You can do reverse. You can do audit first and then take FAR. For freshers, for them subject of audit will be difficult if they don't understand FAR.
Okay.
So they will take FAR first.
FAR first.
Then the auditing will be easy for them.
Right.
Because these two are connected.
Okay.
In your case,
Yes.
what is the difficulty you are finding in FAR?
Basically, I find difficulty gap. My brain is
Not processed.
conflict with the IFRS and gap. But my mind is it's used to
IFRS.
capture the IFRS topics. But it is contradicting with the whole gap narration all the time.
Yes.
So how can I improve? I am thinking, but I'm trying to improve.
Yeah. Switch off your mind of IFRS. It's difficult, I know. Many CS find that problem, but they have to reconcile and concentrate only on gap. Think about the differences in IFRS, there is no problem. But that will really help you in one way to understand gap better. There is
Yes.
there is always pros and cons. My If you find that difficult right now, if your mind is not set for that, then auditing, go ahead, auditing, take auditing and finish.
Auditing is not conflicting with me. More or less 95%, it's similar,
Yeah,
almost.
yeah, here there is no
And
gap, no IFRS, it's a similar.
similar, little, yes, similar.
Yeah.
Accounting concept is more or less